This is my lawnmower. My lawnmower, I used to pay a lot for somebody to come cut my grass. Now I have got two lawnmowers. One is white, one is black. They are so good cleaning my yard. Here, my yard looks great more than the lawnmower. It looks great. I used to have this lawnmower. I spent about almost $1,700 maintaining it and clearing it and gas and lawn. A lot. I used to pay a lot. Now, it doesn't work. I don't want to take it to a shop. But my lawnmower are here. Hey, lawnmower. Here you go. They know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. Make sure my lawn is low cut. They know how to cut it. Gentlemen, this is here. My yard looks clean because I have got two lawnmowers. They don't cost me anything. I used to pay a guy come to cut my grass. I used to pay him every 2 weeks $65. But to feed those two beautiful natures, I don't pay that much. And I get good service. They don't charge me anything. They don't have no salary except their food. Their food does not cost that much. This is what they eat. I do have their food. I buy it from the farm. Look how they eat it. I'm feeding my lawnmower. Look, my lawnmower. They are so smart. Oh, yo. Two lawnmowers. I feed them just a little bit. Not that much. Except they're eating nature food. See how I feed them a little bit, and my neighbor got lawnmower too. They don't cost that much. I will advise you to get nature lawnmower. No gas, no maintaining, no nothing. But clean up, good job for you. Look how they do it. Look how lawnmower is running. Look, this lawnmower is pregnant. She's gonna bring another baby lawnmower. She might bring lawnmower anytime soon. Another lawnmower. Look, another lawnmower is over there on the other side of my town. Another side of my fence. No grass. It used to be big before. Now it's so clean in my yard. I never touch it with a lawnmower. This is my lawnmower, guys. You see how it is? It's beautiful. Look. See how they take care of the grass? Every little thing, they get it. Every little thing, they get it.